Well, with everything going on in the world these days, all the gun violence and all of that stuff, if you've been anywhere near social media or the news in the past couple weeks, you've no doubt seen that there are people that own these evil AR-15 assault rifles that have been cutting them up. Some even making them into illegal SBRs. So I decided, as Tennessee Matt, it's time to do my due diligence and do the same thing with my assault rifles. I'm just kidding. That was hard to do. I'm just kidding. I bought another one. I didn't really buy one. I've had this stripped lower sitting in my safe for some time now, and Palmetto had these kits on sale for $2.99 with free shipping. And I've got the fancy ARs with all the free float barrels and red dots and all that crap on it. So I've been wanting just a basic, I guess you could call it an M4-esque copy for a while. So that's what I did. Instead of one less, now we got one more. Let's shoot it. And I've got these evil high capacity, super velocity, what are these things called? High magazine clips. These things are, I mean, I've got them scattered everywhere. I only brought 3 with me today. I hope that's not too deadly. But I do have a box of 500 rounds of ammo over here. What are these things called? This is a high speed machine gun clip, magazine, whatever. I don't know. I've always called it a magazine. Apparently, I've been wrong. So, this will be the very first shots through this new build. I thought about making a build video, but there's already tons of those out there. And like with anything that I build, furniture or whatever, I try to do it from memory, and had to take a couple pieces off before I got it fully assembled. But it's assembled. Ah, the sound of freedom. 30 rounds of freedom from a machine gun clip. Let's grab another clip, high capacity, high speed clip, and do the same thing again. I don't know if this clip will be quite as deadly. It's not fully loaded. But so far, I'm liking this gun. That's freedom right there. And particularly for me, as a law-abiding citizen that owns a few rifles of this nature, rifles that some people would like to see banned, this will never hurt anybody unless they're trying to hurt me, in which case it would be legal for me to defend myself. And as far as background checks go, with my job, I've been through more and more extensive background checks than a lot of people. So the government knows more about me than I know about myself. So just a quick video. Now there's one more out there. I mean, you gotta have equilibrium in the world. But if that was truly the case, I need to go buy more. But also stay tuned, because I'm going to be making a few changes to this, particularly the grip. I hate these grips. I like a mag pull. I'm going to put a mag pull on here. Maybe a quad rail. I don't know yet. I might just leave it like this. Thanks for watching. And another great thing about this gun in particular, it has one of those shoulder things that go up too. I'm not sure what that piece is, but it has one.